Reduce your liver fat by 50% in 14 days. Reducing liver fat can be an important step towards improving overall health and reducing the risk of developing serious health conditions such as liver disease, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to reducing liver fat, there are some steps you can take to help reduce your liver fat by 50% in just 14 days. Cut out sugary foods and drinks. One of the biggest culprits of liver fat is sugar. Consuming too much sugar can cause the liver to become overwhelmed, leading to the storage of excess fat. In order to reduce your liver fat by 50% in just 14 days, it's important to cut out all sugary foods and drinks from your diet. This includes soda, candy, pastries, and other sugary treats. Instead, focus on eating whole foods that are rich in nutrients and low in sugar. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber is important for a healthy digestive system and can also help reduce liver fat. Eating foods that are high in fiber can help reduce the amount of fat that is stored in the liver. Some high fiber foods include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Eat healthy fats. While it may seem counterintuitive to eat fat when you are trying to reduce liver fat, the truth is that not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, avocado, and fatty fish like salmon, can actually help reduce liver fat. These healthy fats can also help reduce inflammation in the body, which can further reduce the risk of developing liver disease. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol is a major contributor to liver fat and can cause inflammation in the liver, which can lead to liver disease over time. To reduce your liver fat by 50% in just 14 days, it's important to avoid alcohol completely. If you do choose to drink, limit your consumption to 1 or 2 drinks per week and choose low alcohol options such as wine or beer. Exercise regularly. Exercise is an important component of a healthy lifestyle and can also help reduce liver fat. Regular exercise can help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and improve liver function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise each day, such as brisk walking or cycling. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health and can also help reduce liver fat. Lack of sleep can cause inflammation in the body, which can lead to liver damage over time. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important for overall health and can also help reduce liver fat. Water helps flush toxins out of the body and can also help regulate blood sugar levels. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. Reduce stress. Stress can be a major contributor to liver fat, as it can cause inflammation in the body. To reduce your liver fat by 50% in just 14 days, it's important to find ways to reduce stress. Some ways to reduce stress include practicing yoga or meditation, spending time in nature, and getting regular massages. Consider supplements. In addition to making lifestyle changes, there are also some supplements that may help reduce liver fat. Milk thistle, for example, is a popular supplement that is believed to support liver health and reduce liver fat. It's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, however, to ensure they are safe and appropriate for you. Reducing liver fat by 50% in just 14 days may seem like a lofty goal, but it is possible with the right combination of lifestyle changes.